Hi, this is Jeremy from Lingo. Yes, this is trendy Chinese. In this lesson, we're gonna learn 确认过的眼神，确认过的眼神. All right, let me explain this word. 确认过的 is like confirmed, confirmed. 眼神 is like a look, the look of your eye, the look of your eye. So it's more like 确认过的眼神. You know, you're very sure, you're very confirmed. Recently, this phrase becomes so popular. It happens everywhere in China, on Weibo, Twitter. Oh, we don't have Twitter, sorry. Facebook. Oh, we don't have Facebook. Okay, sorry. Twitter. No, we don't have Twitter, right? Weibo, Wechat, and TikTok. You know, a lot of websites they show the 确认过的眼神. When I saw this, I was like, what the was that? You know, what that? And I actually look online. I'm not very trendy. I'm not that very posh. So I look online, and it says this phrase is from the very, very popular Chinese song, and then express a feeling that both of you guys know something in like by heart, and you don't have to speak out. Let me give you some videos so you know what is the meaning of 确认过的眼神.
确认过眼神，我遇上对的人，我会先转身。确认过眼神，我遇上对的人。确认过眼神，我遇上对的人，我会先转身，而鲜血如红唇。前朝记忆的红尘上，确认过眼神，我遇上对的人。确认过眼神，我遇上对的人。
Alright, so now you get it what is 确认过的眼神. It's like, we don't have to speak out. We don't have to use verbal sentence, verbal information to communicate. We just, by looking at each other, we know the information we're delivering. Let me give you more examples. 确认过的眼神，你是对的人。确认过的眼神，你是对的人。I can tell you're the right one just by looking at you. 确认过的眼神，我爱的就是你。确认过的眼神，我爱的就是你。You're the one I love just by looking at your eye. So basically, 确认过的眼神 is more like to express a feeling you love this person, you know he or she is the right one. So next time, if you want to express your love, express something like you think, you know, it's gonna be affable for her, for him, you can say, 确认过的眼神。你就是对的人，确认过的眼神，你就是对的人。I know you're the right one just by looking at you. Alright, I hope you can learn and manage these words. And this is Trendy Chinese Lingo. Yes, I'm your host Jeremy. If you like our program, please Google Lingo. Yes, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.